So here we are. Here she is. Kawasaki ZX9 rebuilt. This is the first test ride, so I'm not sure how it's going to go. Hopefully everything's in the right way, and we'll test it out, see if it goes for the gears, and then we can get the MOT sorted hopefully. So let's see how we go. Ignition's on. We'll try with no choke to start with. Bit of labouring, bit of choke. So I'll put a new choke cable on it. I got the choke cable extended by 125mm. Because it was just too short. When it was down the bottom on these parts here, it was okay, but because you rise it up just up 2 inches, the choke cable isn't enough to reach. So they'd be extended, as did the clutch. Sorry, the clutch cable, and then there's the choke cable down there. Right, so here we go. Bless her. This is going to be a fucking animal, I think. Pops and bangs. The seat's lovely and comfy. That's a Lucky Foot trimming, they did a lovely job on that, so that's really nice. Purring along at the minute. Gear selection seems quite good, quite smooth. Only got the second at the minute, but between first and second seems quite good. Mine's third easy, fourth is easy, bit spitty there, maybe some dodgy fuel with it. Of course we have got to watch out, we have got rid of the ram air system. So I'm hoping that is still going to be okay. So we'll just go down the roundabout down here and we'll turn back and we'll go back and park it up. She would have got the speed at that point, so nice to give it a bit of a blast. Feels really narrow on the bars. The bars feel quite as if there's nothing there pretty much. Suspension feels good, forks feel good after they've had their little rebuild. So she pops down to fourth, third, second quite happily. Put the lights on. Doesn't feel too loose at the front. Might need a bit of tightening up on the head bearings. I'm not too sure. We'll find out when it goes through its MOT. It's definitely got some pull in it. Right, let's see if we can. I did the clutch up this morning, so We'll see how she goes around here. Nice and slow. Yep, okay. Cancel indicators. First to second. Pulling well for a rest. 15 second. Looking good on that. It is loud, it has got an acro on it. There's no DB killer in the acro, so it's going to be horrifically loud. I'll probably swap that out later on for maybe an SP engineering, to be honest. She pulls and she pulls and she pulls. So put up in the third and pull. Yep. She'll put in the third quite happily. We're down to 3,000 revs. Put in fourth. We're still no. Still pulls in fourth. Quite a strong engine then. Yeah, not too bad on the handling there. She's a meaty monster.